Hi and welcome back to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. Now, before starting this video series, I would really highly appreciate you to watch out this video. In this video, we are going to talk something about how to take most out of this series. It's really important to watch this video as this is not a long video and it will guide you how you can take most out of this series. So first recommendation, in this entire video I'll give you a few tips by which you can get most out of the series. The first tip includes keep your headphones with you. The laptop speakers or the desktop speakers that you are using are not that much good so that you can understand each of my word that is crisp and clear. So for that I recommend to use any kinds of headphones that you have along with you. The next recommendation would be watch in full screen and in HD mode. There are lots of commands that I'll be typing around, and so that's why these commands can be blurry around in the normal format. I've already compressed those videos so that the size and the bandwidth cannot that would not be a problem for you. So please, my recommendation would be watch in full screen and in HD mode. If you are watching that in a mobile screen that is a pretty much small one, I don't recommend to watch this series on that. And in case if you are watching just to revise it or just to watch it, you can watch that, but I recommend a tablet or a laptop or can be a desktop to watch this series. So the next recommendation would be practice and practice. Don't forget to practice along with me, after with me, and a lot more practice that you can have. So my final agenda would be practice and practice, and rest of the things just leave it on me. And these are the only few tips that you need to know before starting this series. There is no prerequisites, nothing at all. You just should be familiar with your laptop, pretty much using like day-to-day mail checking, your mail checkings, your Facebook updates, and likewise, and you can start the series just with off. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.